Welcome to your Jody AI Rundown for Video River Networks on Monday, June 15, 2020. However, the Ninth Circuit's opinion, which only applies to the states of Alaska, Arizona, California, Hawaii, and Idaho, also held that persons who do not strictly comply with all state laws and regulations regarding the distribution, possession, and cultivation of medical use cannabis have engaged in conduct that is unauthorized, and in such instances the DOJ may prosecute those individuals. As of December 31, 2019, we own 3 properties in any of the states where medical use cannabis has been legalized, such as Arizona, Colorado, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, New York, and Pennsylvania. The company is susceptible to adverse developments in California and Washington economic and regulatory environments, such as increases in real estate and other taxes, and increased costs of complying with governmental regulations. Furthermore, while we target the acquisition of multifamily properties, hemp farms, CBD processing and medical use cannabis facilities, our leases do not prohibit cannabis cultivation for adult use that is permissible under the state and local laws where our facilities are located, such as in California, Colorado, Massachusetts, and Michigan. However, the Ninth Circuit's opinion, which only applies in the states of Alaska, Arizona, California, Hawaii, and Idaho, also held that persons who do not strictly comply with all state laws and regulations regarding the distribution, possession, and cultivation of medical use cannabis have engaged in conduct that is unauthorized, and in such instances the DOJ may prosecute those individuals. Our affordable housing target markets. Our multifamily affordable housing target market is focused on urban and suburban neighborhoods in California, Nevada, and Maryland and other highly urbanized states. Massachusetts began issuing licenses to operators for the sale of adult-use cannabis in July 2018. In addition, Michigan voters passed an initiative in November 2018 to legalize cannabis for adult use. We intend to enter into indemnification agreements with each of our executive directors and officers that provide for indemnification to the maximum extent permitted by Nevada law. For example, New York limits the types of treatable medical conditions, requires registration of both patients and recommending physicians, limits the types of strains that can be grown, sets prices through the state program commissioner, requires that a registered pharmacist be on the premises of all dispensaries during hours of operation, and prohibits cannabis in flower form. The U.S. Supreme Court has ruled in United States v. Oakland Cannabis Buyers Coop. Any adverse developments in the economy or real estate markets in California or Washington, or any decrease in demand for the company's multifamily properties resulting from the California or Washington regulatory or business environments, could have an adverse effect on the company's business and results of operations.